Hello students, today I am discussing about the Aadhaar Enamel payment system, that is AEPS. It is a type of payment system that is based on the unique identification number and allows Aadhaar card holders to seamlessly make financial transactions through Aadhaar based authentication. The AEPS system aims to empower all sections of the society by making financial and banking services available to all through Aadhaar. AEPS is nothing but an Aadhaar-enabled payment system through which you can transfer funds, make payments, deposit cash, make withdrawals, make inquiry about bank balance, etc. AEPS allows customers to make payments using their Aadhaar number, and by providing Aadhaar verification at point of sale or micro ATM. This is a simple, secure and user-friendly platform for financial transaction. This is another initiative taken by the National Payment Corporation of India, that is NPCI, to encourage cashless transactions in India. Customers can carry out all transactions through a business correspondent or bank agent through a micro ATM. Except fund transfer, where you need to go to the specific bank. For other transaction, you can use any bank. In order to use AEPS, your bank account must be linked to Aadhaar. These all are the key steps for AEPS transaction. Step 1 is go to a micro ATM or bank correspondent. Provide Aadhaar number and bank name. Choose the type of transactions you want to make. Then you provide verification through fingerprint or iris scan and collect your receipt. That means the process will be completed. These all are the service offered by the AEPS: cash deposit, payment transaction, that is C2B or C2G transactions, balance inquiry, cash withdrawal, Aadhaar to Aadhaar fund transfer. These all are the benefits or features of AEPS. It is easy to use, safe and secure payment method, interoperable across various banks, encourages financial inclusion and serves the underbanked sections of society. Through AEPS, all bank account holders will be able to access their bank accounts through Aadhaar authentication. With AEPS, the only information required to initiate a transaction is Aadhaar number and biometric information. AEPS facilitates disbursement of government schemes like NREGA, Social Security Pension, Handicapped Old Age Pension, etc. of any central or state government bodies using Aadhaar authentication. How does AEPS work? The AEPS machine works like a point of sale machine, right? That is POS machine. Instead of a debit or credit card PIN, the merchant will have to key in the customer's Aadhaar number and authenticate the transaction using the customer's biometric data. You will acquire the following information to carry out an AEPS transaction. Banks issue identification number, that is IIN or name, Aadhaar number and fingerprint. Thank you, students.